all present here. Today, myself, Ananya,
And I, Shikha, we are gathered here to celebrate the second Foundation Day of Hereditary Biosciences. So let's give a big hand of applause and start the celebration. Now my co-host Ananya will continue further with proceedings.
So, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, dear colleagues and distinguished team members of the scientific community, a very warm welcome to the second Foundation Day celebration of Hereditary Biosciences. 2 years ago, in 2021, Hereditary Bioscience was born with a vision to revolutionize the field of biosciences and research services. Since then, it has grown to become a trusted name among hospitals, life science institutes, and pharmaceutical companies. Thanks to its unwavering commitment to excellence and leading-edge research, Hereditary Biosciences, under the visionary leadership of its founders, Mr. Swadhin Palo and Dr. Gopal Krishna Purohit, has been at the forefront of providing invaluable services to the medical and scientific communities. The dedication and expertise of our founders have been instrumental in shaping the success story of Hereditary Biosciences. I am thrilled to share with you that Hereditary Biosciences has not only flourished over the past 2 years, but also expanded its prospects. Just 6 months ago, we proudly inaugurated a new branch in Guwahati, further extending our reach and impact. This expansion has allowed us to bring our advancement genomics, proteomic and metabolomic services to a broader audience, catalyzing advancement in the field of biosciences. In addition to our commitment to research excellence, Hereditary Bioscience has also been actively involved in nurturing the next generation life scientists. We take pride in offering short-term and long-term hands-on training, and furthermore, our involvement in dissertation work underscores our dedication to fostering a culture of learning and innovation. Today, as we gather here to celebrate our second Foundation Day, it is a moment of reflection and gratitude. We express our deepest appreciation to our founder, Mr. Swadhin Palo and Dr. Gopal Krishna Purohit, whose leadership has been the guiding force behind Hereditary Biosciences. I extend my heartfelt thanks to all our clients, partners and collaborators for their trust and support. It is our belief in our capabilities that motivate us to push the boundaries of scientific exploration. As we look to the future, we are excited about the possibilities that lie ahead. Hereditary Biosciences remains to advancing scientific knowledge, contributing to medical breakouts and fostering the growth of scientific community. Once again, welcome to the second Foundation Day celebration of Hereditary Biosciences. Now, let us continue our journey of discovery, innovation and collaboration for a brighter and healthier future. Thank you so much. Magic of the past 2 years with us and join in as we showcase a heartwarming video encapsulating the remarkable journey of Hereditary Bioscience and cherish the moments we have created as a team. Enjoy the memories.
us on this special occasion as we celebrate the second Foundation Day of Heredity Biosciences. We have just heard an inspiring welcome speech and set the tone for a day filled with celebration, reflection and innovation. Now, as we move forward with our program, it's time to add a musical touch to our foundation opening ceremony. I'm delighted to announce the opening ceremony song that will mark the beginning of our Foundation Day festivities. Without further delay, let's welcome our intern who will be gracing the stage with their musical talents. Please join me in giving a round of applause for them. Smaranika, Shweta, Smita and Priyanka for presenting the song Itni Shakti Hame Dena Data. These talented individuals have been working hard to bring you a musical experience that will resonate with the spirit of Heredity Biosciences. So, without further delay, let's give them a warm welcome as they take the stage to enchant us with their opening ceremony song. Interns, the stage is yours.
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। दूर अज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे। हर बुराई से बचते रहे हम, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे। देर हो ना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदले की होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। न सोचे हमें क्या मिला है, हम ये सोचे किया क्या है अनबन। फूल खुशियों की बाटे सभी को, सबको जीवन ही बन जाए मधुबन। अपनी करुणा के जल को बहा के कर दे पावन हर एक मन का होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना।
A heartfelt thank you to our incredible talented interns, Smaranika, Shweta, Smita and Priyanka for gracing us with their beautiful voices. We hope you enjoyed their musical talent.
for the celebration. Ladies and gentlemen, as we dive into the heart of our Foundation Day program, let's take the moment to reflect on the remarkable journey that brought us here. In 2018, the name Heredity was unveiled, symbolizing the beginning of transformative journey in the biosciences sector. However, it wasn't until 2021 that the name evolved into Heredity Biosciences, signifying a renewed commitment to pioneering advancement and cutting-edge research in the field. Founded in 2021 by the visionary mind of Dr. Gopal Krishna Purohit and Swadhin Palu, Heredity Biosciences embarked on a mission to revolutionize the biosciences industry. Our inception was fueled by the ambitious goal of merging groundbreaking research with an unwavering dedication to improving lives globally. At the core of our spirit lays the determination to explore enchanted territories and craft innovative solutions that would positively impact global healthcare landscapes. Founding Movement 2021 started, initiated and registered the company by Dr. Gopal Krishna Purohit and Mr. Swadhin Palu. In 2022 to 2023, research breakthrough and expansion happened. AI-based healthcare innovation included the unveiling of the oral Candida Rapid Detection Kit, expansion of laboratory facilities in Guwahati, Assam, securing 3 patents, marking a significant milestone in innovations. Recognition and awards, a sponsorship for the Odisha Embryology Society and commendation for our groundbreaking work. Services launches, introduction of various genomic-based services. Market expansion beyond Odisha to include Northeast side, broadening our region impact. Now comes the research milestones. Collaboration with SUM for comprehensive research and product development. Collaboration and partnership. Research collaboration with SUM Hospital, MIT College of Pharmacy, and Mohabbat Education Trust Group of Institute Faculty of Pharmacy. Service collaboration with Barcode Sciences, Novel Gene Technologies, and other esteemed partners. It is my honor to introduce a distinguished individual whose visionary leadership has been instrumental in shaping the success of Heredity Biosciences. Please join me in welcoming our Chief Operating Officer, Mr. Swadhin Palu. Mr. Swadhin Palu is a seasoned professional with a master's degree in biotechnology from Berhampur University, Odisha. With over 10 years of invaluable experiences in the life science industry, Mr. Palu has consistently demonstrated his expertise and commitment to excellence. His journey in the industry includes notable roles such as the Regional Sales Manager at the Agenogen, Senior Application Service Specialist as Eurofins Genomics Indian Limited, and Genomic Application Specialist at Zelis Lab Limited. In the current capacities as the COO of Heredity Biosciences, Mr. Swadhin Palu oversees the financial planning and marketing and sales portfolio. He plays a vital role in business development, crafting marketing strategies for market penetration, charting the company growth prospects, and managing financial planning for company's expansion. Mr. Palu has been the driving force behind Heredity Biosciences, serving as a strong pillar responsible for establishing a network of dealers and clients across the country. His unwavering commitments and zeal to create maximum scientific impact through superior quality life science services that have been evident in every step of the company's journey. Today, we have the privilege of having Mr. Swadhin Palo with us to share insight into the hurdles he has faced, the milestone he achieved, and the incredible journey of Heredity Bioscience. His leadership and dedication has been crucial to the company's success, and we eagerly anticipate his reflection on the growth, challenge, and future aspiration of Heredity Biosciences. Without further delay, let's join me in welcoming to the stage the Chief Operating Officer of Heredity Bioscience, Mr. Swadhin Palo.
Thank you guys for this nice introduction. I think I don't deserve that much, but since you have planned and you have maintained a nice interaction for me, thank you guys. And also I welcome everyone, a warm welcome to all in this occasion. Today we are in the second foundation day. I think it gives me an immense pleasure that we are 2 years old now. And these 2 years was, excitement was there. We have seen so many hurdles, then excitement, but gradually we have come to 2 years, and that gave us a very nice feeling. And since Heredity Bioscience, if I say, it's like a next family to us. We do many things which actually we do it in our family. So this is all like a family to me. And since Heredity Bioscience, it all started in 2018 when two young professionals, myself and Dr. Gopal, has seen a vision that we'll start something which is not there in Odisha. We can help the students, we can help the service providers. This is our vision, and it came to reality in 2021, when we have started. Actually, we have come into a picture. Since I like to congratulate each and every member of the team, their hard work, their dedication, and their faith has taken us to this position. Today I acknowledge my gratitude to my elder brother, or the mentor of this team, Dr. Gopal Purahi. He has shown us a way so that his dedication and his time, which has helped us to reach this milestone. And also the team members, definitely Suchri, Siram, Devasis, Saktigan, Narayan, everyone, each and everyone, Mona Lisa and Suman, everyone has taken their time and taken their dedication, their faith has shown to this position. So I think, and especially also I'll acknowledge Siram, who has already been a supportive for in every time. Whenever we have faced something, Siram has always there for us. And apart from everyone is there, but Siram has something, we are close to him. So thank you, Siram. Well, I think this is a Heredity Bioscience is a familiar name in Odisha with the scientific community. It has not only we have given like already I think more than 500 to 600 students has been passed from here, has been trained and also well placed in the different industries. Apart from training, we have also given services to different institutes and universities, private institutes, and this has been a name where we are now a trust building company. So I think in future by 2025 we will be having a more specific, more wider space with some new services, new training modules, and new infrastructure. And also I think by 2025 will be I think we'll cross our milestone what we have started in 2021 as a vision. So I guess that will be a group, and not taking much time, I'll conclude my speech. And Team Heredity every time rocks. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Swadhin sir, for your enlightening words and pivotal role he plays in steering Heredity Biosciences towards excellence. Your leadership and dedication are the driving force behind our success. Let's show our appreciation for Mr. Palo unwavering commitment to advancing the frontiers of biosciences. Let's give a big hand of applause, please. So now we move to our next speaker. It is with great pleasure that I invite a distinguished scientist of our esteemed CEO, Dr. Gopal Krishna Purohit, to the stage with a PhD in reproductive biology and an impressive career in research. Dr. Gopal Krishna Purohit has significantly contributed to clinical molecular genetics in fertility and genetic research. From his early days at ICAR to his current role as CEO and co-founder at Heredity Biosciences, his journey is nothing short of extraordinary. Dr. Purohit's dedication is evident through this leadership at the Santan Fertility Center and Research Institute, and now as the head of operation and strategy at Heredity Biosciences, with over 40 publications in renowned journals and 3 patents. Dr. Gopal is not only a highly accomplished scientist but also a visionary in utilizing genomics and improve healthcare. As a member of the Academy of Clinical Embryologists Association and a reviewer of European Journal of Obstetrics and Gynecology and Reproductive Biology, Dr. Purohit continues to shape the landscape of reproductive sciences. Without further delay, let us welcome Dr. Gopal Krishna Purohit to share insights into the incredible journey of Heredity Bioscience and a groundbreaking work in genomics for better healthcare solution. So please join me in giving a warm welcome to Dr. Gopal Krishna Purohit.
Thank you, Ananya. Thank you for the nice introduction. Thank you, everyone. I'm really emotional today. Okay, thank you very much again to each and everyone to be present here, and I acknowledge each and everyone participate to this second foundation day of Heredity Biosciences. I acknowledge again to each and everyone. So today we are facing little bit hurdles, and before starting to this anything my side, I request to each and everyone, included my CEO, so we forcefully and loudly tell you, I love Heredity Biosciences. I love Heredity Biosciences. No, I can't hear your voice. So I love Heredity Biosciences 3 times. I love Heredity Biosciences. I love Heredity Biosciences. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Have a nice energy you all have, and starting from my brother, my CEO of Heredity Biosciences, Mr. Swadhin Palo, and my Heredity team members, Guwahati team members, Narayan, and all these members of Bhubaneswar teams, and my all intern students. Thank you very much to coming to this second foundation day, and everyone should know that every success, one of the person is available. So सभी बोलते हैं ना, एक सक्सेस के पीछे एक औरत का हाथ होता है, but one of the moment my success is that Swadhin Palo. So he's a nice guy and a pillar of this Heredity Biosciences first. And so why we are gathered here, the starting for this journey, I am starting for this, one of the mentor, my mentor is that Abdul Kalam. He told that uh, if you have a dream, if your dream is coming to the coming to the truth of your thoughts, and thought is reflected in your success. So same thing is happened for this hereditary biosciences. I am starting from this 2012 onwards. Everything is told to this um, Swadhin. So everything, see, he explained everything. But in 2012 onwards, when I will join for this SIFA, that time I met to this Swadhin. That journey I started for him. He was a really enthusiastic guy. He know when I met, I know that he was really a great guy. So that we are our thinking is to meet to each other. So that's why we are journey from the starting to that time. And and when I was starting for the SIFA, so that times every day I am inside of this research lab, and everyone told that I am the night watcher of this lab. So again I will join for this KIT University. KIT University is my one of the family. That times I am joined for this PhD, and both are me to them that time. So every day we will thinking for that how we will generate for this one of the company, and we will starting for that. 2017 finally the day come, and we will join for that one of the company will starting for that. So that time we have a facing for the lot of things, like because of the financial is main of this crisis. But every time when I will told to this Swadhin, so he told that no, nothing, we will do for that. So that strength he will give, he every time will given to me. And finally 2018 onwards we will start for this company, that is name is Hereditary Biosciences. I remember for that day in inside of this one park, 6:30 p.m. Probably somebody has heard about this day, and we started for this name is the Hereditary Biosciences, and we are registered to this name. So in 2018 onwards, we started for the 2019 onwards. We are not earning for the single money also inside of this company. That have a lot of problems, and you know, जब बाढ़ आता है ना सब दौड़ते हैं. तो हम तीन मिलके किए थे, एक जन बाढ़ में से बाहर बह गया. Then we are 2 persons, and again we will run to this hold to this heredity, and we will join for that. Again COVID is coming. 2020 the COVID is coming for that, and we are again facing for the problems. But we are never thinking to the back how we went to the company and how we will achieve our milestones. And in COVID also we are getting for this 10 lakhs rupees, 10 lakhs business to that times. And finally one of the members, he was not there. Vidur is the first member. He was joined for this first company. I acknowledge to this Vidur, his outstanding contributions to this that time. And 2 years he was really an embarrassing guy doing for this company efforts. And finally 2021 again we have a loss. Again we are facing for the problem. That problem we are facing. $30 lakhs we have lost. Okay, so that is happening. Every time it is happening for this in a life. So again I discussed to the Swadhin, what we will do for that. What is our next step? He said nothing. We will start again. So that start I increase my strength and my will. And so again we will register for this day. That second foundation day is 8 December. We will again register to this company, Hereditary Biosciences. Now we are reaching to this total milestones in Orissa. We are achieving three patented patents, and more than 50 doctors. We have more than 1,000 students. We are completed to this, and so many papers we are got into this, and we are expanding to this heredity to the Guwahati. So that is our strength, and that journey. So this is my internal strength. So I will say to that, not this foundation day this foundation not our motto to both of them to celebrate for that this milestones only for say to our journey to you and how you will facing to the problems to in these moments that's why we are celebrating. So we are here today and single persons have not to the reach to the milestones. Definitely my teams have contributions 100%, not only for the 100%, they are given for the 2000 to above supports for me and my team, my all team members. There are lot of supports. First of all, when we will start for this 8 December, so first persons of the Heritage Voices has joined for this Susri. So she is a immersive effort and she is a कभी ना नहीं बोलते कोई भी चीज when you will assign to this any work, any of this research work, anything. So she is doing for this every moment, every step, and she was working hard with the services, training, and other research activities also she is doing for this. Never say to no. So she is one of the greatest member of this Heritage Biosciences. Everyone should speak for this Sri. Second one is Devasis, also a very nice guy, but focusing. He was focusing to this his work, but little bit lazy, but work focusing. But I really appreciated for this Devasis also. Thank you, Devasis, you are part of this Heritage Biosciences. Second is Promise. Promise is the second guy is joining for the after Susri, and he's a great guy, and every time he was doing for this all this work and supportive to this every members of this Heritage Biosciences. Thank you, Promise, for part of this Heritage Biosciences. Next is Mona Lisa. Now she is joining with Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa is a very good person. I recognized to that time. So when she was joined for this interns, she is a next means dedicatedly doing for this all these experiments and whatever they science. Next was she was really a great initiative for this research experiment, and Guwahati sites. Narayan is a very good initiative for this Guwahati, and I really appreciated Narayan. He's never know anyone for this. Narayan is my student. That times when he was studying in a KIT University, when that time I'm doing for the PhD, but he was very good to experiment college life as well as for this company sites. Now he is a colleague for me, and he was doing for this great work for this, and we will reach to the milestones. Narayan, thank you, Narayan, for part of my organizations, our organizations. And next one is Suman. Also Suman also associated with Narayan, and he was doing for this great effort and work. Continue for this work, Suman. That's very great. And next one is Shaktikant. You never know this Shaktikant. Shaktikant is a really great guy. Every time you never know, he's always laughing. Same things like Devasis, and so every time he is laughing. So that laughing is everyone to be flat for that. And anyone who assigned to this Shaktikant, he was never said to no, and do all this work also. And thank you. So thank you, Shaktikant is a part of this and part of our team also. It's a very good efforts. And finally, one of the acknowledged to this one of the guy. You never know that he was the greatest effort to the company, and you never say. I never say to him like first when you are facing with a lot of problems. You are facing with a lot of problems in your academic career. You lost your father. After you are lost to the huge loss, then you have stand to in your leg. And he was afforded a company, not only Vision Siram Behra. Now being round applause, he was a financial support to this Hereditary Biosciences sometimes, and he was it's a great effort to that. Anything assigned to this Sriram, and last night also, so 3 o'clock, he was left to this lab and doing for this hours, and probably the monkeys was all spoiled to that, and morning he was called me, sir, this is okay, nobody, so this is happening. So that is the things. Thank you, Sriram, you part of this organizations. Thank you very much, and thanks to everyone. So happy second Foundation Day of Hereditary Biosciences, and each and every members of I acknowledge finally my intern students, my lovable intern students. They are immense effort. This is not possible without your presence. 100% you, I think that you are the greatest things doing the last 2 days, 3 days, and last it is a planning for this 1 month before. So thank you everyone. This is the finally I concluded my speech. Thank you everyone to the second Foundation Day. Please cheers to this. Thank you.
A big thank you to Dr. Gopal Krishna Purohit sir for sharing his remarkable journey and the inspiring vision for Hereditary Biosciences. Let's give him another round of applause for his dedication for advancing life sciences. Now, we start the journey of our employees recognition session. As we continue our journey through the remarkable story of Hereditary Biosciences, now we have the privilege of inviting some of the incredible individuals who have the backbone of our organization. These are the dedicated employees whose passion, hard work and commitment have played a vital role in the success we celebrate today. It's time to hear from those on the front line of scientific exploration and innovation. I would like to extend a warm invitation to our employees to come forward and share their personal journeys, challenges, overcomes, and the moment that they have made their experience with Hereditary Biosciences special. It is with great pleasure that I invite on the stage someone who had an integral part of scientific journey at Hereditary Biosciences. Please join me in welcoming Sushri Swagatika Subhadarshini, a senior research assistant who has been with us for past 2 years. Sushri Swagatika embarked on her professional journey with Hereditary Biosciences immediately after completing her MSc from Med School of Biotechnology. She began as a junior research assistant and over the course of 1 year demonstrated exceptional dedication and passion for her work. Alongside her role at Hereditary Biosciences, she embarked on a part-time PhD journey at Centurion University. Today, we have the privilege of hearing from Ms. Sushri Swagatika ma'am about her experiences, challenges and trends during her time with Hereditary Biosciences. Without further delay, let's welcome Sushri Swagatika ma'am to the stage.
Good morning everyone, respected Gopal sir and Swagin sir and my dear colleagues and our interns. So today we are gathered here for the celebration of the second Foundation Day. It means the second birthday of Hereditary Bioscience and the journey is very hard but it's a big deal for me always. And all thanks to Gopal sir and Swagin sir for giving me this platform. And thanks to Hereditary Bioscience, they taught me so much lessons and make me a person who I am today. So I joined Hereditary Bioscience in 2019, August, 27th of August. And after that again I joined Hereditary Bioscience in 25th of March. फास्ट जॉइन करथिली इंटर्नशिप पई बट इंटर्नशिप करिया को आसु जूनियर रिसर्च असिस्टेंट हे गली 6 मंथ जाए तो काम करथिली गोपाल संग सह काम करथिली स्वाधीन संग जानथिली केवल व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप थिलो रे 6 मास भीतर 3 थर डिस्कशन हेतिला देन 1 मंथ रो ब्रेक रे पळेली 1 मंथ ब्रेक मझे गोपाल सर स्वाधीन सर कनेक्ट करथिली स्वाधीन सर कहले कि नेक्स्ट गोटे नुआ ब्रांच खोला होची आसिकी जॉइन करो बट तार 15 डेज परे गोपाल सर टेक्स्ट करले कि कॉल मी टुमारो एट 2 PM at 12 PM but I forgot due to some issues I called him at 2 PM and he replied hello हाँ कहला सर कहते कॉल करिए सर मु कहते 12 कॉल करिया मैं तमे 2 कॉल करछा माने तमे काम करिया भी इच्छा नहीं हो घरे रही कि भूली गलनी काम सर कहले करिया को चाहू ना चाहू ना सर नहीं सर करी देन करिया रास्ता खाली आसी जॉइन करो तो नेक्स्ट डे आसली तो सर कहले वेट करो स्वाधीन सर आसुचंदी कथा हेबे बस से दिन स्वाधीन सर आसिलेनी तो नेक्स्ट डे आसली स्वाधीन सर भी आसले आ जॉइन भी हे गली as a junior research assistant in 26th of March 2021 I joined HDD Bioscience and really thankful to Gopal sir. He taught me so many things. When I come to HDD Bioscience I don't even see the pipettes but today I am doing something with the pipettes. I don't know how much it will go but I know something in biotechnology. And after that, with the help of Swadhin sir and Gopal sir, I joined my PhD. And I don't know even my topic at that time. And today I can explain my synopsis with 2 lines. If Swadhin sir told me to say your synopsis in 2 lines, then I will saw Gopal sir. Because so for this PhD, I am so much thankful to Swadhin sir and Gopal sir. And after that, I am coming to my colleagues. Sriram, Shaktigan, Devasis, Monalisa and Promise. Monalisa joined recently, but Promise is my first colleague. जब मैं आस्तिले Promise पे डाके कि नहीं करते आज जीवा join हवा सांगो ही तो आसला को लैब रे किछि भी न थाए आसला को प्रॉमिस तारा ढोल होता है ये पे यदि प्रॉमिस को कॉल करियो प्रॉमिस से फाइल तो के नहीं मुझे व्यस्त हो जे टिक करवा जन्नी बहु केवे इजी नथिला बहुत किछि फेस करथिलु प्रॉमिस मु स्टार्ट कलु देन श्रीराम और देवाशीष आसिक जॉइन करथिले माय वर्किंग एनवायरनमेंट इज द बेस्ट एनवायरनमेंट आई एवर वर्कड विथ दे आर सो मच हेल्पफुल टू मी एवरी टाइम एनीथिंग आई से श्रीराम एटा हबार छ हां हेजबो आज रात एवरी टाइम आई कॉल टू देवाशीष इफ आई कॉल टू देवाशीष देन ही विल रिप्लाई हां को करे अछि कोन सेइडा कोन रागियर को श्रीराम देवाशीष और प्रॉमिस जबे भी जहाँ भी कहले केबे भी मना करना केबे रागी भी नहांती गाड़ी भी कहले केबे रागी भी नहांती तो सेति लगी थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन और शक्तिकांत लास्ट 1 ईयर हवा से जॉइन करछि सब काम तर 2 मिनट रे ही हो जाए पर शक्तिकांत माहौल खराब था भला था जहाँ भी था मैं शक्तिकांत एंट्री रे माहौल बहुत ही खुशी हो जाए समस्ते मते बहुत ही हेल्प करछंदी तो समस्त को थैंक यू सो मच स्वाधीन सर और गोपाल सर को बहुत ही बड़ थैंक यू सर सर मत प्लाटफॉर्म देथिबारु केबे सर भाभी नथिली एते दूर आसी बेली कि एते लॉन्ग जर्नी कंप्लीट करी बेली 6 मास रही कि नहीं केबे भाभी नथिली बट बहुत लंबा जर्नी सर कलेनी आगु को भी करिया को भी सर बहुत इच्छा अछि अपन आनंद सहित एनवायरनमेंट छाड़िया को भी इच्छा नहीं आ मोरा सबुठ बेस्ट कलीग हो श्रीराम श्रीराम संगे जीवा आसवा खाइबा सब किछि मोर राति 12टा गोटे हेले श्रीराम को कॉल कले हाँ दीदी को श्रीराम सब जिनस हेल्प कर सब जो भी जहाँ भी आज यहाँ करार अच्छी काली से करार अच्छी केबे तार ये ना काली राति 3टा जाए ये रही कम कर श्रीराम को प्रॉमिस दी जन जंग बहुत ही हार्ड वर्किंग हाँ सर थैंक यू सर थैंक यू सो मच सर थैंक यू everyone for making this happen today. Without your help, we can't do the second foundation day. So thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much, Ms. Sushri Swagatika ma'am, for graciously sharing your inspiring journey with us. We appreciate your contribution to our scientific community and wish you continued success in your endeavors. Everyone, please join me in welcoming Mr. Sriram Behra to the stage. Mr. Sriram Behra is a senior research assistant at Heredity Biosciences, and his journey within our organization is a remarkable treatment or testament to his dedication and hard work. After completing his MSc in Bioinformatics from BJP College, Mr. Sriram Behra joined Heredity Biosciences as an intern. His commitment and outstanding contribution during his period did not go unnoticed, and he was subsequently chosen for a research assistant position. Today we have the privilege of hearing from Mr. Sriram Behra from his journey, challenges overcome, and the growth he has experienced from being an intern to a senior research assistant at Heredity Biosciences. Without further any delay, let's welcome Mr. Sriram Behra to the stage. Sir, please.
Thank you.